What a pretty night. Don't think that's going to go anywhere. Well, there's the first one. We only have one more to do and then we can finish putting the sheathing layer on this building. But so, last couple videos, that's it. Not a ton of progress, but you know, when you're moving the camera around, you're trying to get your shots set up, things like that. If any of you are looking to start a YouTube channel, keep in mind it is going to slow your projects down by a lot. I'll tell you what, it would have been nothing most normal evenings. If I wasn't running the camera, we could have gotten both of these in no problem. Then we could have started slinging boards for the side. But But like I said, that's the price you pay if you're doing the videos. I'm not complaining at all, because if I didn't like doing these, I wouldn't be doing them. But so anyway, that's one. The next one will go a little quicker, a little bit easier. We did have to do quite a little bit of trimming down there in that end. Must be when I milled this thing out a few years ago. I was off on my milling, because that side's about a ½ an inch thicker than this side. But actually more like a ¼ inch thicker. But it's not too bad. We got it to line up, got it to work, and that's it. So we get one more up. We're going to go 4 foot up for the next one. That's going to be kind of a large space for 1-inch boards. But like I said in the last video, we're actually going to be doing a lot of framing out of different things above that second girt. Window, I got to have a spot to hunt deer from, you know what I mean? If I can't hunt deer from my forge, what the hell good am I? That's the way I look at it. So we got to frame a window in there. We got to frame an exhaust system. We're going to be putting a hood in here for a welder and also for the coal forge. I was debating on whether to do just a regular stack all the way up to beyond the roof, but that's really high, and I'm still not comfortable on extension ladders yet. It's just not there, and I'd rather just rely on an exhaust fan for now. But I have a couple of cool ideas for that. I got a couple of huge old burners I ripped off of some boilers here recently that we replaced that have perfect squirrel cage burners or blowers in them on like 5 or 6 inch pipe. So that should be perfect to do a little bit of an exhaust for the forge. And I also have a big industrial exhaust fan, one of the big silver ones that you see on rooftops, for the welding hood. So we can actually build a really big welding hood in this building. So we're going to get the next girt on, start getting the boards up, then we'll worry about the exhaust fans, things like that. All in all, it's really nice to be back on this project. It's nice to be out here middle of the night and actually working on the barn itself. I just kind of had to get some funds together to get the boards, so that's what was taking so long. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will catch you on the next one.